हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे करंट डेट एंड टाइम आउटपुट में कैसे देखें। तो हियर गाइस वी आर नाउ स्टार्ट आवर प्रोग्राम एंड हियर वी राइट import the date and time. This is the DATE date and TIME. There after that we have write any value to store this that we have used x equals to date and time, that means DATE date and TIME date and time. This is the current date and time. We have see the output, then we have write now, then we have write date and time now. डेट एंड टाइम के अंदर दूसरा डेट एंड टाइम एंड हियर वी राइट डेट एंड डेट TIME, the current date and time, and here we write now. Now is important because we know current date and times. We have write NOW, and here we write completes, and here we write print the output, that is print x, then we have write x. We have save this and run this, and you have see that this is the print is the problem of typing mistakes. We have write print PRINT, and we have save this and run this. What we see this is the current date and times. Okay, bye and see you again.